How you doing, people? Hope you're well. My name's Duncan Walsh. 20 minutes worth of Navy SEAL burpees, a little bit of a chat talk over. Let's get into it. How you doing, people? Hope you are training regularly, training vigorously, and training with a ferocious intent, because literally your life depends on it. And on that bombshell, what am I bouncing around doing today? Well, today is another blast of 20 minutes worth of Navy SEAL burpees, just for a change, with my back-friendly technique. I usually have 5 minutes rest and then go again with something else, but today I thought I would just show the Navy SEALs. But I did just want to touch on something else, which is a very, very useful thing to know. I suppose a sort of fitness hack, really, and that is how to make a huge impact in your fitness with just 2 minutes worth of work. Now, actually, I am partially basing this on recent research, but also immediately felt from my own experience that this was correct. The research points to the fact that just 1 minute's worth of high intensity work has the equivalent benefit to a 53-minute walk, and that is relating to reduced cardiovascular mortality and cancer-related mortality. Now, what I'm advocating is actually a 2-minute burst of higher intensity activity, which will have even more benefit and a more substantial benefit on VO2 max as well. So a simple 2-minute exercise that would work very well and is very convenient is 2 minutes worth of jumping burpees with no push-up. I would say there are tougher exercises out there, for example heels to backside burpees, which is a burpee and you jump up, kick your heels to your backside, because that requires a more dynamic jump and they are therefore harder. Or a 2-minute burst of running hard, maybe even on an incline, those would likely be harder. But the running option may not be convenient for many people, and I think for over 50 age group it's possibly more difficult to achieve, especially if you particularly don't go running. Now, I would say that a 2-minute effort like this could be done in isolation, but I would still warm up for it if I were you. A few minutes stretching to start, maybe 30 seconds worth of burpees performed more gently as part of the warm-up, maybe in the form of 3 times 10-second efforts with 30 seconds rest, then maybe a few more minutes stretching. It may seem like it's defying the point of the time efficiency, but the truth is that you don't really want to go into a hard quality 2-minute effort without a warm-up. But of course, this is more applicable if you're doing it in isolation. If you do it as a finisher, maybe after a gym session, perhaps a strength training session, then you are likely already warm. Another good option for a 2-minute blast is after a walk, when again you are warmer naturally, but you may still want a couple of minutes of stretching before you attempt the 2-minute blast. What I would say though is that if you want the biggest bang for your buck in the least time spent for the most benefit, the 2-minute burst is the way to go. Again though, if you are just starting your fitness journey, I would probably start with a 1-minute bout of intensity and build up to 2 minutes. I think it's important to realise that if you are aspiring to get the intensity of your exercise up, to take it easy and to work gradually up to that. But the 1-minute effort of higher intensity is a great introduction to that. So just to also let you know, my free download is ready. This is a PDF of all fitness tips and hacks, physical and psychological, for over 50 fitness, body maintenance, and how to become more resilient in your training. It also includes tips on different methods of training, why it's important to vary your training, and what I've found to be the most effective types of training. I guess it's based on my 40 years of experience training myself and others. Feels strange saying 40 years of experience, but I guess that's the truth, as well as modern research. So hopefully that will provide useful information for you. The link will be in the description and my pinned comment on this video and all my videos. Okay, that's about it today. If you'd like to see my 28-day calisthenic based workout plans, they really are very, very good, very, very effective. The link will be in the description. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.